In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut or split video in Clipchamp. Whether you're new to video editing or just looking to polish your skills, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you're able to edit with ease and confidence. First, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type in Clipchamp to locate their website. Clipchamp is a user-friendly, web-based video editing tool that offers a variety of features, including cutting and splitting videos, which makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned editors. Once you're on the Clipchamp site, it's time to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process that requires just a few minutes of your time. Having determined your access, the next step is to open Clipchamp's editor. From here, you'll want to import your video file. Do this by dragging your video into the Your Media tab. This is typically seen on the interface's left side, where you can store all your media assets. Once uploaded, drag your video from this library down to the timeline, which is positioned at the bottom of your screen. The timeline is where you'll execute all of your editing tasks. Now, let's talk about the seeker. This tool is the vertical line on your timeline that indicates your current position in the video. You'll drag this line to the precise point where you wish to make your initial cut. Take your time with this step, as precise placement will ensure a clean cut. After you've settled on the exact location for your first split, look above the timeline for the split button, which is creatively designed to resemble a pair of scissors. Clicking on this will cut your video at the designated point. Alternatively, for those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing the S key achieves the same result. Now, move the seeker to the end of the segment you want to eliminate. Once positioned, click the split button once more to create a second cut. This maneuver effectively isolates the section you wish to remove. With the unwanted segment in its own clip, simply click to select it and hit the delete key on your keyboard. This will remove that particular part of the video. Noticeably, this action leaves a gap in your timeline where the clip once resided. Closing this gap is easy. Just right-click on it, then select Delete Gap from the menu, or simply click the trash can icon that appears. This handy feature ensures a seamless transition between your remaining clips. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to efficiently cut or split video in Clipchamp. By following these instructions, you'll be able to edit videos quickly and efficiently, tailoring them precisely to your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.